Hello guys, my name is Damiyoungest. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate your Windows 10 and 11 permanently. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing you are going to do is search run and click enter. After clicking enter, you type regedit. After typing on regedit, you will now go to you go to computer, key local machine, then you click on system, then you search on current control set. Then go to services, then search on SVSVC. Yes, after seeing the SVSVC, then you need to click on it and go to start. Right click and modify. Then all you just have to do, change this number 3 to number 4 and click OK. And that is it guys. The system has been activated. Now all you just have to do is just restart your PC. And that is it guys. You have successfully activated your Windows 10. This method can also work in Windows 11 as well. Also, if you find value in this video, please show your support by liking and subscribe to our channel for more informative video like this one. Thank you.